Hey there, fellow readers. Ready to get your book on? I sure hope so. Today we are back with another quick and easy downloadable freebie for you. This one is pretty similar to the last one, or I think it was the last one we did, that was Bookish wall art that you can print and hang on your wall. This one is actually just 3 bookish themed digital backgrounds or wallpapers that you can put like in the background of your device, your phone, your tablet, whatever, you know. So the link to all 3 of these is going to be in the description box below, so make sure you click that and you can either follow along with me or check it out whenever you'd like, but I'm going to go ahead and take you to that link now. So here, this is the link that link in the description box will take you to this page, and this is the post for, I don't know why I said it that way, the post, the post for the blog post that includes all of those 3 backgrounds that we were talking about. So we can scroll down, and this one is a pretty easy, pretty straightforward way to download things. I've got things listed out. Here's our first background, hashtag am reading, or old school, pound sign. Pound sign, anybody? So you can go on ahead and right here you can download that one, and as soon as you go to download it, it's just going to pull it up. It's a JPEG. I think they're all JPEG files. So you can just go on ahead and pull it up. You can save image as, or however you want to save it. Go on ahead and save it to your device. And I'll go back and show you the other ones. We've got 2 other ones. We've got a little bookish. I like this one because of all the watercolor look. I mean, I like painting. I like paint, so the watercolor is like, So of course you can download that one as well. And then our third and final one is, oh, I like this one. All you gotta do is put a book in my hand. I think that's like a country song. I don't know who sings it, but it's all you gotta do is put a drink in my hand. I changed it so it's all you gotta do is put a book in my hand. Because it's true, right? So that is all 3 of our bookish phone wallpapers, or tablet. It would look really good on a tablet too, I think. And you know, you can also, if you've got, it takes a little bit of color, but you can also print these if you want to print them and like hang them on the wall like we did do in that with the wall art printables that I talked about in a previous video too. So you can do that as well. It might take a little bit of ink. So just make sure you're stocked up on your printer ink, okay? But aside from that, I hope you really enjoy these bookish phone, I was gonna say fun, but fun phone wallpapers. And until our next freebie that I will of course share with you all, happy reading!